أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Read with me.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Nice. What is this? Start, please.
Okay. Ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad.
After the swad, we will read today next easy letter, next lesson. After the swad, it's swad but with one dot. It's also swad
Dot.
but with one dot. Its name is dod. Dod, yeah. Nice understanding of my student. Nice student name is mashallah Ibrahim. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Say okay, swad. First it's swad and with one dot, dod. What is this?
Dot.
Yeah, this one, dod. Okay, repeat it. Dod. Don't stop.
Dod, 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 dod.
Mashallah, you are reading very good. Nice student, good student. Continue.
Dod, 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 dot, 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 dot.
Okay, mashallah, good student name is Ibrahim. Today we will change our style of reading. We will use now a interesting reading style and easy reading style now. First, from the first letter go to last letter, okay, and second time from the last letter go to first letter. For example, I will read, you listen to me, after that you will apply it. الف با تا ثا جیم حا خا دال ذال را زا سین شین صاد ضاد. In this time it's one turn. Second turn is from the last letter we will go to first letter. Listen to me only carefully one time. Dod, Sod, Sheen, Seen, Za, Ra, Zal, Dal, Kha, Ha, Jim, Tha, Ta, Ba, Alif. Its second style is very interesting. You can use it only second style. From the last letter go to first letter. Yeah, start please. Hurry up.
Okay. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد ضاد ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال دال ها ها جيم طا ثا با ألف. Finished.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Mashallah, you are reading very good, but I will say to you, from the first letter go to last letter, and second time is from the last letter go to first letter. After that you will expert inshallah. Okay, continue please, don't stop, and carefully stay looking on lesson on screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Yeah, during reading lesson another side looking is not allowed. Okay, see on the screen please. You are a good student, please continue and carefully read, my good student, my favorite student.
I
Continue.
can't see the letter when I can't see the letter. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra za sin shin صاد ضاد ضاد صاد شين سين ضاد ظا را زال را دال خا ها جيم طا ثا با ألف. ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را زا ثا سين شين صاد ضاد ضاد صاد ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال دال خا ها جيم ثا با ألف. ألف با تا ثا ها خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد. ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد. ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال زال دال خا ها جيم فا ثا بي با ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا دال زال را صا سين شين صاد ضاد 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 صاد شين سين ظا را صال دال ها 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 جيم ثا ثا با ألف
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Very good student. Name is?
فراهم
Oh, nice. Okay, about in way.
Do not
Hadith.
envy one another.
About hate, Hadith,
Do
tell me now.
Do not hate one another.
Okay, about jealous. Tell me Hadith now.
Do not be jealous to one another.
Nice. About haya.
Modesty is a branch of faith.
Yeah.
Al-haya.
Al-haya. Faith. Okay, nice. MashaAllah. Ibrahim is good student because he is reading very carefully every day. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. Okay, for upstairs, dua tell me now.
Upstairs is Subhanallah.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Downstairs is Subhanallah. Upstairs is Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, before starting everything, what dua? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم and Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, it's two duas for before starting everything. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Supplication is worship. First dua, second dua, don't become angry, and third dua is don't envy one another, and fourth dua is la tabaghadu, don't hate one another, and hadith number 5, modesty, al-haya is a branch of faith, and 6 hadith, righteousness is a good attitude.
Good attitude.
Yeah, nice. Okay, and next one, إنما الأعمال بالنيات, actions are but by intentions. Understand? إنما الأعمال بالنيات in Arabic, and it's hadith Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 1. Actions are but by intentions. Understand? Yeah. Okay. Actions, about actions, tell me this.
Actions are but by intention.
10 times repeat it.
Actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
Wow.
Actions.
Nice. Good student. Okay, continue. My favorite student name, Ibrahim.
After paradise is.
This hadith we will start after a few minutes, and now you can continue this hadith. Actions are but by intentions. You can continue it. Yeah, very good nature. Young time you are blocking with your hands, your mouth. MashaAllah. I'm very happy from you because you are follow the rule of Islam. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, nice.
Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions.
Okay,
Actions are but by
now we are starting new hadith. Miftahul Jannat is Salat. The key to paradise is prayer. What is the key of
the
paradise?
it's heaven.
Yeah, prayer is key to paradise. The key to paradise is prayer. Prayer. How many prayers you was read yesterday?
5.
5. What's your age?
8.
8. And your sister age?
9. My
9.
sister's
8.
9.
Yeah, 8 and 9 is your age. Your sister and your age is 8 and 9. Prayer is very important for you. Understand? Yeah, don't miss any prayer every day. Complete prayer, read. After that, Allah give you Jannah. Okay. What is the hadith? Jami' at-Tirmidhi, hadith number 4. The key to paradise is prayer. The key to paradise is prayer. Prayer. Okay.
The key to paradise is
Okay. You memorize the prayer complete? Can you tell me complete prayer?
okay. There's sometimes I just pray them, like my parents tell me to just pray the prayer, and like yeah, and then sometimes I don't. I forget their names. I know Isra, Maghrib.
Okay. It's prayer's name. It's prayer's names and times. I don't ask from you times and name. I asked from you. What is the prayer? Can you tell me prayer? First letter in prayer. Allahu Akbar. Subhanak Allahumma and
Yeah, okay,
yeah. Let's start please. Allahumma ba'id bayni or subhanak Allahumma.
Allahu Akbar Subhanallah. Sometimes I just like my parents, like my dad. He just says it. Like sometimes I pray with him, and sometimes I pray by myself. This
Yeah, continue it. It's hadith.
the key to paradise is prayer. 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 The key to paradise is prayer.
Nice. Very good. Very good reading, mashallah. Okay. And you revise your lesson now. After that we will inshallah. Okay, continue from the last letter, go to first letter.
Okay. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم ها خا دال زال را ظا سين شين صاد ضاد ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را زال دال ها ها جيم طا ث با ألف.
Azkar. Yeah, continue.
ألف باء تاء ثاء
Complete
جيم
azkar.
ها خا دال زال را ظا سين سين شين صاد ضاد
Okay,
ألف
from the last letter start now. From the dad, go to first.
ضاد صاد شين سين صاد ضاد ضاد صاد شين سين ظا را دال ضا دال
This one
ها.
with one dot. What it is?
That one's Zal.
Yeah, okay. From yeah. Go to before.
Dal dal kha ha jim ha sa ta ba alif.
MashaAllah, very good student. I appreciate you. You are reading very good. Say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, take care. Goodbye. Call to your sister now.
Okay.